What we're going to do is talk about our weather, which...
You might be wanting to do that.
It's true.
You might be wanting to do that.
Especially with the heat and humidity ticking up today, Cody.
Yeah, you know what? Go jump in a lake.
That we can do. That we can do.
That we can do. We've needed to do that for really the last couple of months, especially last month. In fact, July 2026, now the 6th warmest month on record. Not just warmest Julys, but warmest months. Now, granted, on average, July is our warmest month of the year anyways, and so our top 7 are all the month of July. We'll expand this to like the top 15. We'd have a couple of Junes in there. We'd have a couple of Augusts in there. But for the most part, it is July. Now, this is not just relegated to the Twin Cities Metro, even though that's what I'm showing here. Twin Cities was 6th place. St. Cloud was 8th place, and International Falls was 12th place. So it wasn't just the metro, it was the entire state and really most of the region. And when we get the official climate report from the U.S. Climate Database, essentially, which comes out usually about halfway through the following month. So it'll come out about halfway through the month of August for July as they're kind of computing the numbers. Quite likely will be the warmest month on record for the U.S. as a whole, dating all the way back to 1872. So it's been warm. We continue the trend overall, though we're going to get a little bit of a break tomorrow into Wednesday. Today, though, 72 at the moment. Dew points edging towards those middle 60s, so we're adding more moisture to the atmosphere. It is going to be far more humid this afternoon than what we saw over the course of the weekend. That's because of a southerly flow drawing in more corn sweat, a.k.a. evapotranspiration, big word, from the farm fields and cornfields of sections of Iowa, Nebraska, of course, farther to the south, and Missouri and Kansas as well as we pump in the moisture. That's ahead of a cold front that will swing in northwestern Minnesota this afternoon, begin to pop up some showers and storms. Those running a level 2 risk of severe weather from Alexander to Brainerd to Hibbing northwestward. Stronger storm potential will stay away from the Twin Cities Metro as these begin to fall apart as they roll eastward after midnight. We could see a couple of those enter the Twin Cities Metro early tomorrow morning, but admittedly that's a bit of a stretch. That scoots through. Cold fronts bias. We will cool off tomorrow. Most of our temperatures will top out somewhere in the 70s. There may be some lingering redeveloping showers near the Iowa border, but few and far between at best. Outside of that, passing clouds on Tuesday. A lot more sunshine as we head into Wednesday as we stay comfortably warm for a couple of days before building the heat and humidity once again by the end of the week and going into this upcoming weekend. So very warm and humid conditions today. A few passing clouds overall, some hazy sunshine, a southern breeze, and highs edging towards those upper 80s. Isolated rumbles possible tonight as they roll out of northern Minnesota. Stretch across the 35 corridors as we head into the overnight hours. A few of us get wet, most of us don't. Overnight low at 66. Then for tomorrow, a couple of lingering showers early in the morning, otherwise far more comfortable. Decreasing cloud cover and highs in the upper 70s. Here's that 7-day forecast. Low 80s return on a Wednesday. We'll keep the humidity in check for a brief period of time. And then we'll see both temperatures and humidity start to rise Thursday. And then it gets hot and pretty steamy again this weekend. Highs pretty close to 90 Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Guys?
All right.